I got another flask in the hole. Just knocked it out of the ceiling. I took my hand back and I felt the top of it, and it's embossed. Oh, we already know what it is. I think it's a different size. It is a little one. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me right now. All right, guys. So I'm out here with Chris today. You can see in the background there, just off in the distance, be the Iron Furnace. Lonaconing, Maryland, real historic furnace, still standing. And then we have Chris right there getting into a hole in the furnace office, built in 1841, brick building. We're getting into, I think it was housing at one time or something. I'm not 100% sure, but we got a few pits probed out here. They're pretty big. This one isn't super deep, but it's pretty wide. And there is glass in it, so we'll get back to these when we start. Bottles coming out. Here's what we've got in pumpkin seed, yeah, 1890s stuff. Chris says he thinks he's got a bottle down here in the slop.
Definitely in the slop. There she goes, guys. Just a little wine.
Is it a wine? Yeah, it's an ale. British ale.
It's got bands on it.
Yeah, 3-piece molds, turn molds. Oh, I hear more.
Glass down here. Broken stuff.
Yeah. Flask.
I think there's one back there though. Pretty sure. You hear that squishy sound?
Yeah, huh? Another wine. Yep. A champagne. He's pulling them back here. Oh, there's another one. Yeah. Did you say you think it goes on the other side of the board too?
I reckon it kind of, the dirt kind of looks like it, but I can't quite tell. That's broke, but
another one, yep. Doggone. Yeah, they enjoyed that.
Here's another one. I think there's maybe be something other than a wine. But it might be a wine. It's probably a wine. No.
No, something different.
It's a flask or something. Actually, dude, it looks cobalt.
Huh?
I'm not even kidding you.
Oh, he says maybe cobalt. Might be patina.
Could be patina. You're right. Gotta be real careful digging it out there.
Can you feel the lip?
Not yet. I'm on the butt end.
Is it round? Ah, it's a coffin.
It's a coffin.
Or shoe fly.
Sure cobalt.
It is patina. Yeah.
Wow. Another one, guys. Another one.
Yep, champagne's out the butt.
These people like to drink. No.
Flask. Oh my gosh. It's a Bman.
It is.
Got the shoulder out of it. Oh man, that's still epic. It's still epic. Look at this, guys. Oh man. Is it there?
I think there's a piece.
Look at this.
Is it?
This is it could be a piece. Joseph Bman. Wines, Liquors, and Cigars, 21 Main Street, Lonaconing, Maryland.
That's the clear one too.
Wow, yeah. What a flask.
Oh, man.
That's probably a piece of another one you just handed me.
That's what I'm pulling out. Just pulling everything out to see if I can find it. I'm pretty sure that that's all that was there.
We might end up getting one.
Yeah, we still got a lot of flasks.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of flasks. We still got a lot to go.
Oh, man.
I'm half afraid now. See, there's another one, but I mean, they just keep going, Gordon.
Bottles everywhere, eh?
Bottles everywhere.
Good night, guys.
It is loaded.
Oh, is it ever exciting seeing that flask? That's a rare one. That's the second broken one out of this hole so far. We dug another one there earlier, just the front piece of it where it said Joseph Bman.
This is getting on my nerves.
What is it?
I think just getting these bottles out and not breaking. That's a wine, I can feel that. Oh,
No, big sauce.
Big old pepper sauce.
Big old Oliver. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool looking. Yeah. I don't think it's embossed or anything, but it is cool.
They just keep going, brother.
You can still feel them.
I'm just pulling pieces out. Those are definitely used.
Guys, Corey's in the hole. He's got something epic down there. You can see it down there. I already knocked it out of the wall. You can see it. And it's embossed, slug plate, and I think it's Lonaconing. Oh my gosh. Here it is. Oh my gosh. That is, it's gotta be. Oh, it is. Oh, it is for sure. We're gonna call this the Bman Hole. Oh man, Bman. Joseph Bman wines. Sorry. Liquors. Cigars. And it's clear. 21 Main Street, Lonaconing, Maryland. Yep. Wow. Oh, wow, what a bottle. Heck yeah. What a bottle. Beautiful. Wow. There she is. There she is. He said he won one today. There it is. I got one behind it. Keep recording. Good. I felt something. I thought I felt something behind it. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't, Chris. What? He just got hyped up. Yeah, or it ran away, one of the two. Oh my gosh, guys. You're not gonna believe it. Superman's kryptonite. It is. Oh my gosh, Chris. Oh my. No, we're just kidding. But anyways, I got another flask in the hole. Just knocked it out of the ceiling. I took my hand back and I felt the top of it, and it's embossed. Oh, we already know what it is. I think it's a different size. It is a little one. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me right now. Oh my gosh. Joseph Bman Wines, Liquors, and Cigars 21. Clear one? Main Street, Lonaconing, Maryland. Sweet, baby. Man. Sweet. Wow. Oh man, Chris. This is incredible. It's incredible right now. These are so stupid rare. Wow. Wow. Great. It's not even right. I don't even know what to think, bud. There's another flask way back there behind it, but we're gonna knock this top off and we're gonna get down in here. And then we'll see y'all back. Ladies, we have bottles in the hole. Yes, we do. Get it, Chris. Get it. Bman flask. Break lead, slick. And see what else? Probably not champagne or wine. We're back into the lair where there's nothing but bottle after bottle. Big old bottle. Yeah, big old pickle. Clean it around. Oh, wait, there's another one. Little man. Into them. Nobody home on it. Sure. I'm working with another one, huh? Oh, we got there. I have here. What did I have? Oh, you got a hoeing blob. Oh, it is a hoeing blob. You got a hoeing blob, bro. Oh man, look at him. Oh, you dog. Yeah. Look at that, baby. Bro. Oh man, guys. Tell you what. Edward F. Hoeing blob. Baltimore loop.
Cool.
That's another rare bird. Outstanding. Killing it, Chris.
Yes, sir. We're both killing it.
Yeah.
Good job, man.
Oh, what a
one more
hole.
right field back in
What a
here.
hole, buddy.
Maybe two more.
Yeah.
Little square. Mid.
Uh-oh.
Not
Uh-oh. Nothing. Nobody home. You remember hitting baseballs? It's that time of year, buddy.
That's right. We're elbow deep in slop. It's that time of year. I think that's it, buddy.
Yeah.
I think that's all for now.
We'll get back to you. Chris has another bottle. He says it's round.
It is or
Might be another soda. Be a soda.
Yeah. It's a spike. Railroad spike. I mean, what is that?
Be a soda.
Something's broke. It's broke, buddy. I'm sticking my finger in it. It's whiskey. Nope, another wine.
Broken wine.
Yes. Yep, there's one more. There's the one that I was feeling. It feels it's broke too big on it. It's another big one.
Yeah, big.
Yeah, of course.
Pickle.
Yeah, it's another big pickle.
Yeah.
All right.
We are back.
Yeah.
Seconds later.
Second.
Chris has a flask in the hole. You already
He's
know.
quick at finding this Corey is.
Oh crap.
Nope.
Nobody?
No.
Oh, nobody home. It's okay.
Look at the slop they're in.
Oh yeah.
That's
All
why they're so
cooped
hard
up.
to find.
Nope. I might as well.
Stick around.
Yeah, I might as well stick around.
They're still coming.
Chris is into them.
Square med right here coming out, I believe. It is embossed with something. Rose, Baltimore, I see.
Gilbert.
Yeah. There's another one.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, Gilbert Brothers out of Baltimore.
I'm not certain, but I think I feel another blob pop in here, Corey.
Oh, jeez.
I think I feel another blob.
Look at him go.
Guess what?
Blob. Are you freaking
Telling.
kidding me? Are you kidding me right now?
You seen it live? You seen it live? That's so great.
Bro. Oh man, this is insane. These are very rare bottles.
Back in.
Alrighty.
I'll
Well,
clean her up.
let me get back in, guys.
Good.
Alright guys, we got some bottles down here.
Me and Chris just switched.
And we are, got maybe something broke. Cup. We might have another blob right here. You can see it uncovering over in this corner. Here she is right here, guys. Come on, baby. What's this? Oh, it's crown. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, it ain't local. I was gonna say it's not local. I've never seen it. It's a blob.
That's
It's
neat.
a Bangor Soda Company, Bangor, Maine.
The hole has been plentiful.
Oh man, baby. Has it ever? Here's another bottle down in this corner. We're gonna pull it. Definitely a shoe fly. Oh yeah. Yep, shoe fly don't bother me. Oh, we're not done yet. There's another one back there. Oh, there's a bunch of them.
Yep.
That's amber. That's amber, baby. We got an amber blob here.
Sweet. Every time we switch,
Blob, baby.
every time we switch out, guys,
Oh,
it's just smack loaded.
That's daggone wine.
Wine, that's what I thought.
Oh, no.
you like that mirror, buddy? That's nice.
Yeah.
Good light down in there.
Right there. It's at the bottom of the flask.
You should have your daggone glove on. Oh, you do? Okay.
2-prong. Crunchy stuff up here. Here's bottles in too. Be careful. Pull it off. I don't think that's all, but it might be. I don't know. There's a bottle back there. I spilled it. Rudy out. Oh, yeah, I can see glass behind it.
Yeah. Good.
Alright guys, we got 2 flasks in the hole, you guys can see. 1, 2. I'm done pull them. Let's hope they're bombings or something. Oh, come on, baby. Nobody home. There's a crack in it. Cracked in the head. Here comes number 2. Come on, baby. Bombing. Oh, it's huge. Oh, come on. Oh, it's got an anchor on it. It's got an anchor on it. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. An anchor. Nice.
That's the first time I've seen that.
No doubt.
That's real nice.
It's been a while since I've seen it. It's a clear one too. I don't think I've ever seen a clear one.
There you go.
No doubt. That's what's up, my guy. Yes. What a pit there for. Oh, I just found another bottle. I swear I did. That might be wood. I don't know what's going on right there. Bones. There's still bottles there, everybody.
Yes, sir.
I thought maybe we were getting close to the wall. No siree. Oh yeah, I heard that. Have to go ways back here too, Chris.
Do some more cleaning up before we get to it.
Yeah.
Let me go ahead and stop.
Pretty insane. I might be able to reach back in and grab one of them.
Corey Wellings.
This is incredible. Another bottle. Maybe a couple. Is that a crock? A Henny Camp crock would just make this
It would
stupid.
top it off, yeah.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
It's probably been one of the best 1890s pits you've been in a while, huh?
Yeah. I would say. What bone? It's a big freaking bone.
You still feeling a bottle?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I go. That thing's in there good. It's big.
Big old bottle, guys.
It's got like a hip bone or something on it.
The hip bone's connected to
To the bottle bone.
to the blob.
It's in there, guys. Get that hip bone out of there. We gotta get back to it. As much as I hate to do this, I think I got a slate of foot, big light shovel back there. Don't do this at home. all root ball, guys, and it's this stuff up here, and it's not rough. It's not fun, and it's not your friend. No. You got it rolling off there, yeah. There, look at that, just fell out. What is this? Yeah. Anything gonna be on it? Come on, baby. Ah.
No anchor. It's awkward though.
Yeah.
That one is awkward.
Nice, pretty awkward. No anchor, but an early one registered. Nice.
Sweet.
Early 90s, I'd imagine. Oh my God, it's city.
Guys.
Get some, baby. Right here. Right here, baby.
That's right.
We done booed. Yeah, we definitely are. Best bottle diggers. Best bottle diggers in Lonaconing. Guarantee you that. I'd put money on it. Lots of
Bet the farm.
Yep, I bet the farm, baby. We're gonna try to get this bottle out.
It's going way back.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's clean back there yet.
Elbow deep.
Did you hear that? Sound like a raptor. There was air coming out of that mud. It was like. I was like, oh shit. The dinos are coming to get us, bud. Oh, I heard that.
Yeah. You found that coal. He was looking
Yeah,
for.
we got it. We hit coal.
Yeah.
All right. I got something back in here, and it's embossed, and I think it's a blob. I don't know. I felt it with my hand. I'm gonna go back in and grab it. Oh yeah, you're daggone right. It's a blob. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Wow.
What is that?
That's an Edward F. Hoeing blob.
Wow, that's earlier than the other blobs.
Bigger, yeah. Look at that,
my.
guys. It's freaking crazy. Today has been an epic dig.
Yes, it has.
Wow.
Blessed.
Insane. We're just finishing the pit up, and we're pulling the walls down, and like we showed just before, it's super rooty down here, little tiny fan roots everywhere, extremely hard to dig through it. But yeah, we're finishing the walls that just come off the wall. We're gonna keep going.
Check this pile out, guys. Wow. All right, see you back.